Hi everyone, welcome back to Hunting Bonsai. In today's video we'll be repotting this pine. We'll give you a look at the tree before we take it out of this pot and we'll get it into its new pot, so stay tuned. So we had this gin in here, and with the wire scar we couldn't get rid of it. It was ugly, so I carved a gin, the white shari, from that gin all the way down past the wire scar to the bottom, because the tree was in the ground when I got it, and the lad who I bought it off didn't see the wire, so it bit all the way in, which we'll probably see once we get it out of here. You would see where it was continuing down. So we'll get it out of the pot and we'll have a look, and we'll get it in its fresh bonsai pot. I've had the tree for a couple of years now. I've just been letting it grow, and then it's got its first shape last year, about 4 months ago. So it's still a baby. A lot to go on it. Might even lose some branches, might even not. But we'll see how it starts to back bud and see what pads we're going to use and everything. I don't know when it was last repotted. By the looks of it, it's been in here a while. So we'll try and get it out of this pot and we'll have a look. That was easy. I've let it dry out so the soil should come off pretty easy. And we'll just keep working around, getting it off, and see what we've got underneath. Then, all the soil's off. I'll cut these long roots off. I don't really want to do too much root work with this because loads of it's come off when we cleaned the soil out. Just a few little minor ones will do. The ones that's grown down I'll get shut off. Oh, got a nice flat bottom there, apart from that one. We've got this root which is too high. That's all I'm prepared to do on that. I don't really want to kill the tree. We can correct it in a couple of years. I've got one crossing there which I'm going to bend out and round instead of taking it off. But we've still got some root on the tree to keep it alive. And I'll give it a wash and we'll come back and have a look. As you can see, we've got two roots here. This one's coming straight across here. I really didn't want to do much work with it, but I'm going to get shot of it. Put it back to there. Then we've got this one coming in too high. I'm definitely all prepared to do on that. As you can see, that was the start of the wire scoring, was it was under the ground. And I just cut in deeper and deeper as I got up the tree. So that's why we put the shori in there, just to try and disguise it, to get rid of it. It's got a nice thickening barry at the bottom, which was under the ground, so we'll lift it up so we can really see it. I picked out this mica pot for this tree. And we need to I'm going to get shot of that high root. This one here comes out and comes up. We've got a few under it. We've got these to replace it here, if it lives, which it should. I'm just going to clean it up a bit. Okay, that's definitely all I'm doing. Right, we got some soil in and go it in the pot. So here we go. Big hump in the middle. Check the position before we tie it in. Come back and have a look. I'll drop the table. We can see it a bit better. Just standing back, checking the position. It's about there. And we'll give the wires a little bit of a tighten just to keep it in place. Oh God. moving the roots out the way so we don't trap them, as it hasn't got many on. Twist and pull. Shot at the long ends. Put it down. Still got one more wire. A little bit short this one, but we'll get it. I hope. I hope we'll get it. And we've got it. Well, that's it, nice and tight in the pot. Out the front, round about there somewhere. There we go. We'll just start filling it in and using the chopsticks to get the air out. There's a root there too high, which we'll have to chop off. Chopstick time. I'm on draining the pond while we're doing this, because it's that time. Clean the fish out. The little fish are nice and happy. What I released the other week. They look a lot bigger. Only in a space of a couple of weeks. I took that one in. And that one. Just taking the ones that's sticking up off. Right, nice and quick, what we like. I'll give it a drink of water and we'll come back. So I'll give you a look at the little fishies. They're enjoying it. Size of them now. Pond looks a bit white because I've just checked it for blanket wade by last week, but I kind of shifted. So I'm going to have to get the brush in and give it a good scrub. There's the white pine looking well on the bench. Someone commented lose that bottom branch, which might be a good idea, but I'm going to let it grow. You can always take it off, but you cannot add it back on. That juniper styled last Sunday. I didn't do a video because I didn't think I was going to do that much. I was only going to put the deadwood in, but then I got carried away. I put that bend in it about 15 months ago because it was too straight and had nothing going for it. I trunked branch split that so I can put one at the front and one at the back when I put that bend in, but the bend's held alright, so is the branch split, so it'll give us two branches, so I can get one into the back, round into the back because I had nothing there, and one down into here. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. We'll just keep pinching it back and see what happens with it. There's a scrub oak starting to put its leaves out. I wish I stopped that small. There's the pine just soaking the water up. Then we'll get it back in and show you a proper look at it. I've still got a bit of work to do on the pine. I've got a gin to do up here, and there's branches died off in here. I've got a stub here where we cut the big thick branch off coming this way to gin, and a little one on the back. But I'll not do that at the present time with us taking too much roots off. I'm just going to put it on the bench and let it recover. What I'll do is I'll sort of address them issues on them gins later on in the summer when I pinch the candles back. We're quite happy with the new pot it's in. At least it's better than a big clear smashed pot. Well, that's a quick video on just repotting this pine. I've got a few more repots to do. Then I've got to start on the air layers. I must have about 26 air layers to do. The next couple of videos of the air layers. I've got hawthorns. I need a couple off the maple so I can get the height down and start styling that next year properly. The pads has had a little bit placement, but it's the apex we need to sort out. I need to get the wire off it still. And poor bugger. That's just a little quick video on repotting this pine. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But if you haven't, please subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Take care, folks. Ta-da.